I hope you're feeling lovey-dovey, because in this video, I will teach you 10 idioms about love.
Robert teaches English.
This video was actually a request from Haas, so thank you for the request, Haas. I hope you enjoy it. Listen for the idioms in the following skit, and then I will teach you how we use them. At the end of the lesson, I will test your knowledge with a quick quiz, so make sure to watch until the end of the video.
Hey kid, what you reading?
Love in the Time of Cholera.
Sounds, interesting. Say kid, why are you looking so lovey-dovey? Do you have a crush on someone?
Oh, you could say that. And you could say she has a crush on me too.
Oh boy, anyone I know?
Well, yeah, Uncle Albert. You're the one who set us up.
I don't remember setting you up with anyone. Was it a blind date?
Gee, not really. You told me to go over there and borrow some milk.
Oh, the neighbor. She's the one with those big, long, beautiful spider legs, right?
Could you please not?
Oh, sorry, kid. I'm being rude. I just really admire a long, hairy pair of spider legs. Oh, I tell you, kid, when I was your age...
Uncle Albert!
Right you are. Sorry. So, the neighbor, huh? I didn't know you two were an item.
Her name is Lorraine, Uncle Albert. And it is very new. We just hit it off when I went over there to borrow the milk.
Good for you, kid. So, you like this dame, Lorraine? You like her a lot?
Well, I don't know, Uncle Albert. I mean, at first I thought maybe it was just puppy love, but then the other day I was over there looking in the fridge for some cheese, and then all of a sudden she was there, whispering sweet nothings into my ear.
And after that, did you caress her long, beautiful... good job. Good for you, kid. It seems like you're really head over heels for this girl.
Gosh, I guess I am. I'm so glad that you fixed us up, Uncle Albert.
Heck, kid, I didn't know what I was doing when I sent you over there. Who knows? Maybe this girl could be your better half.
Maybe, Uncle Albert. Maybe.
The first idiom is lovey-dovey.
Say, kid, why are you looking so lovey-dovey?
To be lovey-dovey means to be very affectionate or romantic. In this example, rather than being lovey-dovey, the uncle says the boy looks lovey-dovey, as if he looks like he is thinking about romance or thinking about being affectionate with someone. Next up is have a crush on someone.
Do you have a crush on someone?
Oh, you could say that. And you could say she has a crush on me too.
If we have a crush on someone, we have a small romantic interest in them. We like them. We might not know them very well yet, but we like what we know, even if it's just the way they look. The next idiom is to set someone up or to fix someone up.
Well, yeah, Uncle Albert. You're the one who set us up.
I don't remember setting you up with anyone.
I'm so glad that you fixed us up, Uncle Albert.
When we set two people up, we arrange for them to go on a date, or we get them to talk to each other with the hopes that they will form some sort of romantic relationship, with the hopes that they will like each other. Next up is blind date.
Was it a blind date?
When you go on a blind date, you go on a date with someone you have never met before. Sometimes you don't even know what the other person looks like, hence the use of blind. It is most common to go on a blind date if a friend sets you up. This way, you're not going on a date with a complete stranger. The next idiom is an item.
So, the neighbor, huh? I didn't know you two were an item.
If two people are an item, it means they are dating or they are in some sort of romantic relationship. An item does not specify how serious the relationship is. It's common to use this as a question.
Are you two an item?
This can be a little less abrasive than saying, are you two in a relationship together? Next, you heard hit it off.
We just hit it off when I went over there to borrow the milk.
When two people hit it off, it means they have a great time with each other when they first meet. They like each other, they have interests, they have a good time together on their first meeting. In the skit, this is used romantically, but we can also hit it off with new friends. It doesn't have to be romantic. The next idiom is puppy love.
Well, I don't know, Uncle Albert. I mean, at first I thought maybe it was just puppy love.
Puppy love means infatuation. Infatuation is the strong and often passionate affection that we feel at the beginning of a new romantic relationship. More specifically, puppy love refers to the strong, uncontrollable, and sometimes unreasonable attraction between two young lovers, hence the use of puppy. The next one is my favorite idiom on the list, to whisper sweet nothings.
Then the other day I was over there looking in the fridge for some cheese, and then all of a sudden she was there whispering sweet nothings into my ear.
When we whisper sweet nothings, we say romantic things to someone that are inspired by the passion that we feel in the moment. This could be anything really, from something as innocent as saying someone looks beautiful to whispering some more suggestive or erotic things.
You don't know what you do to me. There's never been anyone else but you. I want you to teach me how to fly.
Next up is head over heels.
It seems like you're really head over heels for this girl.
If you are head over heels for someone, you are very, very attracted to that person. You like that person very much. Head over heels is often combined with in love.
Oh, I'm head over heels in love.
The final idiom you heard was better half.
Who knows? Maybe this girl could be your better half.
Someone's better half is simply his or her romantic partner. This can be a boyfriend or a girlfriend, but it's most often used with spouses, with husbands and wives, because it implies a very deep connection. I think it's very sweet to refer to your husband or your wife as your better half, because it implies that you are one soul bound together by love. Now for some quick practice, see if you can answer these questions correctly. Number 1, what do you call a date with someone you haven't met before? What do you call a date with someone you haven't met before? I'll give you a second. A blind date. Very good. Number 2, fill in the blank with an idiom to ask two people if they're in a relationship. Are you two? That's right. Are you two an item? Number 3, if you are experiencing puppy love, it is more likely that you A, are head over heels, or B, have a crush on someone? And the answer is B. If you are experiencing puppy love, it's more likely that you just have a crush on someone. Number 4, true or false? If you hit it off with someone, that means they are now your better half. Is that true or false? Very good, it's false. If you hit it off with someone, you probably just met them, so you're not going to be their better half just yet. Number 5, true or false? Whispering sweet nothings is an example of acting lovey-dovey. True or false? Yes, that is true. Whispering sweet nothings is very romantic. It is very lovey-dovey. All right, last question. What is it called when you arrange for 2 people to go on a date together? What do you do when you arrange for 2 people to go on a date together? That's right, you fix them up or set them up. So how many of those did you get correct? Let me know in the comments. If you missed any of those, make sure to go back and review the ones that you missed. As always, I want to thank you for learning with me. I hope you know you're doing a fantastic job, and I hope you know I believe in you. I'll see you soon.